Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 22nd July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, the Father, the Lord of the tree, has placed the omens of Jupiter over you. You are now going to the world of imperishable happiness. Question. Which children experience the imperishable omens of Jupiter over them, and what indicates this? Answer. The children who renounce all their bodily relations while alive and have the faith that they are souls, those whose intellects have such faith, are the ones who experience the omens of Jupiter over them. It is of them that it is remembered. If you want to know about supersensuous joy, ask the gopis and gopis. Their happiness can never disappear. Song. Salutations to Shiva. The essence for dharana is: point number 1. Check your own stage. Keep a daily diary for your own benefit and note down your chart of remembrance in that. Point number 2. Do true business with the unlimited Father. Surrender your body, mind and wealth to the Father and claim a return of 21 births. Have faith in the intellect and benefit yourself. Today's blessing is: may you become an easy yogi and make your foundation strong by paying special attention to the first Srimad. Again, may you become an easy yogi and make your foundation strong and by paying special attention to the first Srimad. Today's blessing is: may you become an easy yogi and make your foundation strong by paying special attention to the first Srimad. Again, may you become an easy yogi and make your foundation strong by paying special attention to the first Srimad. Bap Dada's number 1 Srimad is: consider yourself to be a soul and remember the Father. If, instead of considering yourself to be a soul, you then consider yourself to be an ordinary bodily being, you cannot have remembrance. Just as before two things are joined, they are first made the same. In the same way, when you have remembrance while considering yourself to be a soul, your remembrance will become easy. This Srimad is the main foundation. Repeatedly pay attention to this matter and you will become an easy yogi. Slogan. Karma is the mirror through which you have a glimpse of the soul. Therefore, reveal your Shakti form in your actions. Again, karma is the mirror through which you have a glimpse of the soul. Therefore, reveal your Shakti form in your actions. Om Shanti.